Insurance adjuster calls you the same day as your accident, acting super friendly and just wants to help.
That's 9 out of 10 shady, but it's a classic technique by the insurance companies. They're not your friend. They're building a file to use against you.
They offered you a quick settlement before you've even finished your treatment.
Well, that's the oldest trick in the book. That's a 10 out of 10. They want you to settle for a tiny amount before you even know the full extent of your injuries. Don't settle for a lowball offer.
They ask you to give a recorded statement.
That is a hard 9. You are not legally required to do that, and you should never do it without your lawyer.
They tell you your injuries aren't serious enough to warrant a lawyer.
Well, that's an 8 out of 10, maybe more. I mean, of course they're going to say that. They know that a good lawyer means a bigger payout for you. Don't fall for it.
They delay responding to your claim for weeks with no explanation.
That's a 7 out of 10. It's a pressure tactic. They're hoping that you get desperate and just get tired of all the hassle and you'll accept less money.
They say your medical treatment wasn't necessary and try to cut what they'll cover.
Insurance companies say this on every single case. They'll say your injuries weren't that bad, your treatments weren't that necessary, and your bills are way too high. This is a 9 out of 10. They have doctors on their payroll whose job is to minimize your injuries. That's who's making that call. Don't listen to them. Get a good lawyer.
They tell you the other driver's policy limit is low, so there's nothing they can do.
Okay, that's a 6 out of 10, but here's what they won't tell you. You may have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage on your policy that kicks in. Always worth a check. Look, if an insurance company has already reached out to you, don't say another word until you talk to a good lawyer, like me.